All right, 3-7, we are on journal page 79, and we're working with pattern block sort bar graphs. So more bar graphs. Record the number of pattern blocks in each group. You don't have any pattern blocks at home, but I do. Here they are. Okay, so it says how many triangles are there? How many wide rhombuses? How many narrow rhombuses? How many hexagons? And how many trapezoids? Now, we know what a triangle looks like, so how many triangles? Ta-da! Triangles. Wide rhombus and narrow rhombus. If you didn't know what a rhombus was, find shapes that have the same pattern and what's a wide one and what's a narrow one. Kind of have this diamond shape, three-sided figure, a diamond shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, wide rhombus, narrow rhombus. If you don't know what it was, it's the shapes that have the same shape, but one's wide and one's narrow. Hexagon. The thing with a hexagon is hexagon has an X in it. That means a hexagon is a shape with 6 sides because 6 has an X in it. What you need to do is write the number in here, and you should be able to put my video on pause if you need to. Triangles. How many triangles do I have? 1, 2, 3. I would put a 3 here. How many wide rhombuses? How many narrow rhombuses? How many hexagons and how many trapezoids, right? What's those last ones left? Those trapezoids. Put me on pause if you have to. Write this in the top of your graph. This should all be filled in now with your numbers. It says choose a scale for your graph based on your data. Graph your pattern block data. So bottom's going to start at 0, right? This very bottom line right here represents 0. Triangle, how much do you need to go? I see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines because that last one is going to be right to that line. Again, look at what your smallest number is and look at what your largest number is. The smallest one needs to fit on the bottom and the largest one needs to fit before the top. Then again, draw your lines and fill in bars completely on your graph. Awesome. When you have this journal page completed with your other bar graph, go ahead, send a picture, and head on over to Math Boxes.